Hey, welcome back. Today we're at Jordan Lake in North Carolina to introduce our brand new Advanced Marine Correction System. This system was specifically engineered for true Gelcoat restoration on boats and RVs. When used as a complete three-step system, this lineup is designed to take Gelcoat from long forgotten and heavily oxidized all the way to deep showroom level gloss and clarity. Step 1, XMC 600. XMC 600 is our most aggressive marine cutting compound and one of the heaviest cutting compounds in the industry. This compound is designed for severe oxidation removal, major defect correction, aggressive leveling after dry sanding, and high production marine hull manufacturing. XMC 600 is capable of removing up to 600 grit sand scratches while restoring clarity and gloss to heavily weathered gel-coated surfaces. This is the product built for true extreme correction, but even with that aggressive cut, the advanced diminishing abrasives help reduce buffing time while still refining the surface better than traditional marine compounds. Next is HMC 1000. This is where the system really starts refining the surface. But make no mistake, HMC is still a heavy correction compound. This is not a medium cut polish. HMC 1000 still has serious cutting capability for oxidation removal and sanding mark removal, but it finishes significantly finer than XMC 600. That's what makes it the perfect middle step in the system. Depending upon the condition of the boat, many professionals may choose HMC 1000 as their starting point. HMC 1000 was engineered specifically for Gelcoat surfaces to maintain its cutting ability longer throughout the polishing cycle before refining down for increased gloss and clarity. And lastly, we finish with F&P, our final marine polish. F&P is all about refinement, depth, clarity, and maximizing gloss. This polish removes light haze, swirls, minor surface imperfections, and dramatically increases reflection and richness in the finish. Whether you're refining after HMC 1000 or simply performing a one-step cut and polish, F&P delivers that deep, ultra-refined showroom appearance that every boat owner is chasing. And of course, the perfect finish to any Gelcoat correction is protecting it properly. That's why we recommend following your final polish with a Majestic Solution Shield ceramic coating to lock in the correction, resist future oxidation, provide long-term UV protection, and help maintain that deep showroom gloss for the long haul. And there you have it. This is the brand new Advanced Marine Correction System, built to give marine professionals, detailers, and weekend warriors that ultimate three-step restoration system for their boat or RV. For more information and to check out our other great products, you can visit us at majesticsolutions.com.